Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a better looking video with this color grading on the CapCut Mobile. So after you add your videos, you need to go to adjust. Here follow the settings. So for the brightness, lower it to -10 and contrast increase it to 10. Saturation 5. Brilliant 7. And then the sharpen set it to 100. Now click on the highlight and increase it to 7 and add some vignette effect around 10. Okay, now click on a check icon and then go to overlay and add this image as overlay. Click on add. Now fit the size. Okay, and then go to blend and choose overlay and set it to around 60. You are done, and here you can adjust the durations to fit into the video. And this is the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.